Hi everyone, I am Astha and today I'm going to talk briefly about the Pinterest data scientist interview process. At the end of this video, you should have like a good understanding of the interview process itself, what the interviewers filter for, and several tips on preparing yourself for this. Okay, quick intro. I am from Prepfully. This overview has been put together by Pinterest data scientists who are also interview coaches on Prepfully, the very same ones who have helped hundreds of candidates with mock interviews and advice. This is a video version of our much more in-depth written guide, which we link within the description. And you can always book time with the coaches directly for more personalized guidance on Prepfully's website. Right, onto the overview. As a part of Pinterest data scientist interview, the candidate will need to go through 3 primary rounds. The first, a phone screening. The second is a round which will be a technical round. And the final stage of this interview process will be a virtual on-site interview consisting of multiple interviews. Let's talk about step 1 first, which is the phone screening. During this call, the recruiter will delve into your technical background, past relevant projects, and a quick assessment of your skills based on your resume. They will also provide an overview of Pinterest's company cultures and values and how they align with your career goals and aspirations. We have 5 tips for getting through this round. Prepare specific examples from your past projects or experiences that align with the skills and qualifications required for this role. Organize your thoughts in advance around topics like what contribution did you make to your projects, how things went, and what could you have done better. Keep your answers short and crisp. Have a clear reason why you are applying at Pinterest, as well as why you think that you'd succeed there. This round often starts with the old favorite, tell me more about yourself. So it is useful to have a nice short intro ready to roll out with. Next up is step 2, the technical round. In this round, you will usually face a senior data scientist. During this interview, you can expect to be asked a case study question about metrics analysis, Python coding questions, and an experimental ion question. These questions are designed to test your understanding of the concepts and the techniques that are used in data science, as well as your ability to apply them to real-world situations. In addition to the technical questions, the interviewer will also engage you in a discussion around a past project, the approaches that you used, and how you solved certain challenges. Some candidates have also reported some light SQL coding involved in this interview to test your proficiency with working with databases and retrieving data. So brush up on that. Pinterest uses Carrot for almost all their technical interviews, and the data scientist technical screening is also done using the shared screen Carrot platform. We have 2 tips for this round. A. Brush up on your technical skills and knowledge in data sciences, including metrics analysis, Python coding, and experimentation. Brush up on your machine learning, statistics, and probability concepts and be able to apply them to data science. The third and the final stage of the interview process will be a virtual on-site interview consisting of multiple interviews. The 4 most common types of interviews at this stage are: first, an ML interview. This interview is a machine learning assessment that has 2 parts. The first part involves 2 coding questions where you will be required to demonstrate your programming skills. And the second part is a set of multiple choice questions about deep learning and machine learning, which will, by the way, test your theoretical knowledge in this field. Second, a statistics and probability interview. In this round, you will be assessed on your understanding of statistics and probability concepts and how you can apply them in data science. Third is a behavioral interview. This round focuses on your professional conduct, communication skills, and team dynamics. The interviewer will ask you questions to get a better understanding of your working style, how you handle challenges, and your approach to problem solving. And last is an online assessment. This round of the on-site interview is an online assessment that includes 2 topics. DFS, that is depth first search, and BFS, breadth first search. This assessment will test your coding skills and ability to implement algorithms, which are critical skills in the field of data scientists. Please note that this round is a role specific and you might encounter a different case depending on the role that you are applying for. Here are some final tips for this round. Be ready for the behavioral interview, which will focus on your professional conduct, on your communication skills, and your team dynamics. Prepare for the online assessment, which will test your coding skills and ability to implement algorithms. Be ready to answer your questions about handling difficult situations with team members or stakeholders, and your approach in problem solving the complex data science projects. Good. Now that is all from us. Once you feel ready for some practice or just want a sense check of your preparation level, especially on custom rounds such as statistics and probability interview, you can book an anonymous mock interview with a data scientist from Pinterest on Prepfully. We have included a link in the description below. You can check that. In addition, I have linked to a bunch of useful resources in the description, most of which are free. There is a written guide and there are several interview questions. If you have follow-up questions about the interview, please ask in the comments below. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and good luck.
Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please subscribe. Our website is prepfully.com. We've got lots of interview questions there. You can also schedule a mock interview with one of our experts. You can find the link in the description below. All the best from us at Prepfully, and we hope you totally rock your interview.